Nollywood don get husband. Jide Kene Ifeoma don finally do the thing, and e don do am for Italo. Make I gist una everything wey happen for there, because e be like say I dey there. So on Sunday, Jide Kene marry im partner Ifeoma for white wedding ceremony for Milan, Italy. The wedding na private one o, only family and close friends dey there. But as e dey always happen for Naija, the videos come begin leak. E leak online on Monday and everywhere don burst. For the wedding, Jide wear white tailcoat with black trouser and bow tie. The man dey sharp like razor, and im bride Ifeoma, chai, she wear white heavily beaded lace gown with veil o. She dey smile like diamond. One video wey trend online show dem dey exchange vows for church setting. Then dem seal am with kiss for altar. After that, reception dey, guests dey dance, dem celebrate, everywhere full of joy. Even before the wedding o, Jide don dey hint us. Im dey post things like first look, wedding bells, to have and to hold for Instagram with hashtag Jide Ife 26. So e no be surprise like that o, but still the whole internet burst when the real wedding pictures land. Now for those wey no know Jide Kene, this na the same actor wey shine for Living in Bondage, Breaking Free and Kambili, the whole 30 years. Him even win Trailblazer Award for AMVCA 2020. Fellow Nollywood actor Uzi Usman dey there to celebrate with dem, and even Funke Akindele bin dey buzz about am for her Snapchat beforehand. Now, wetin be my own opinion? My own opinion be say e good to see Nollywood actor wey keep im relationship private do the wedding the way im want am. No plenty show off, no drama, just love. Milan, the man go all out. Some people go say, why you go do wedding for abroad? Your wife sef no fine. But I say na im money o, na im joy o, na im choice o. Congratulations to Jide and Ifeoma. May una marriage sweet like puff puff. If dis gist sweet you abeg like dis video, share am for your WhatsApp, and subscribe to Naijagistcentral for more Naija gist every week. I be Clara Ojukwu. May God bless una plenty. See you again next time by this time for more Naija ogbonge tori. It is sign out.